This is going to blow your mind. Have you ever noticed how architecture is always evolving? It's like a reflection of who we are and what we value. Today, those values are shifting towards sustainability, technology, and well-being. We're seeing incredible innovations in building materials, design techniques, and how we interact with our spaces. From eco-friendly skyscrapers to cozy smart homes, the future of architecture is exciting. Let's dive into some of the biggest trends shaping the way we live and build. Get ready to be inspired. Why are there not more people talking about sustainable designs for a brighter tomorrow? One of the most important trends we're seeing is a huge push towards sustainability. It's all about creating buildings that are kind to our planet. Think solar panels soaking up the sun's energy, green roofs bursting with life, and materials made from recycled goods. It's amazing how these technologies are being seamlessly integrated into stunning architectural designs. These green buildings aren't just good for the environment, they can also save money on energy bills. Plus, who wouldn't want to live or work in a space that's filled with natural light and fresh air? It's a win-win for everyone. What's something people don't know about smart homes? Smart homes are becoming more and more popular, and for good reason. Imagine controlling your lighting, temperature, and even your appliances with just a tap on your phone. It's all thanks to the Internet of Things, which connects all sorts of devices in your home. Smart homes can make life easier and more comfortable. But it's not just about convenience. Smart home technology can also enhance security with features like smart locks and security cameras that you can monitor remotely. It's amazing how technology is transforming the way we experience our homes. Bringing the outdoors in biophilic design for well-being. There's something so calming and refreshing about being surrounded by nature. That's the idea behind biophilic design, which focuses on incorporating natural elements into buildings. Think living walls, indoor gardens, and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. Studies have shown that exposure to nature can reduce stress, boost creativity, and improve overall well-being. It's amazing how a little bit of greenery can transform a space and make it feel more alive. Biophilic design is all about creating spaces that nourish both the body and the soul. Are you overwhelmed by the complexities of traditional construction? Have you ever heard of building a house like you would assemble a puzzle? That's the basic idea behind modular construction. Instead of building everything on site, sections are prefabricated in a factory and then shipped to the location. It's like putting together giant building blocks. Modular construction can be much faster and more cost-effective than traditional methods. Plus, it reduces waste and minimizes disruption to the surrounding environment. From homes to hospitals, this innovative approach is changing the face of construction. I bet you didn't know the power of adaptive reuse. Yesterday's charm, today's innovation, the power of adaptive reuse. Instead of tearing down old buildings, architects and designers are finding creative ways to give them new life. Adaptive reuse is all about transforming existing structures into something fresh and exciting. It's like a giant recycling project. Think turning an old factory into trendy lofts, or a historic library into a bustling community center. Adaptive reuse isn't just good for the environment. It also preserves the character and history of our cities. It's amazing to see the stories these buildings hold, and the potential they have for the future. Net zero energy buildings, a step towards the future. Why are there not more people talking about net zero energy buildings? Net zero energy buildings are a groundbreaking trend aiming for sustainability. These buildings generate as much energy as they consume, often through renewable energy sources like solar or wind power. Key technologies include solar panels and wind turbines, which generate renewable energy on site, energy management systems, which monitor and optimize energy use throughout the building, and high-efficiency HVAC systems, which reduce energy consumption for heating and cooling. They incorporate advanced energy management systems, high-efficiency HVAC, and superior insulation to minimize energy use. We'll look at pioneering net zero energy buildings and how they're paving the way for a more sustainable future. Imagine a world where buildings are not just structures, but active participants in creating a sustainable environment. Net zero energy buildings are not just a concept, they are the future of architecture, offering a harmonious blend of innovation and responsibility. Stay tuned as we explore some of the most impressive net zero energy buildings and the incredible technologies that make them possible. This is the future of architecture, and it starts now. I bet you didn't know how urban farming is transforming our cities. Urban farming is an emerging trend that integrates agriculture into urban environments. Rooftop gardens, vertical farms, and community gardens are popping up in cities around the world. Technologies involved include hydroponics and aeroponics, soil-less farming methods that maximize space and resources. Automated irrigation systems ensure optimal water usage for urban gardens. LED grow lights provide efficient lighting for indoor farms. This trend promotes local food production, reduces transportation emissions, and enhances urban biodiversity. We'll look at how urban farming is transforming cityscapes and contributing to sustainability. Imagine a city where fresh produce is grown on rooftops, walls, and in community spaces, reducing the need for long-distance transportation and cutting down on carbon emissions. This is not just a dream, but a growing reality. Urban farming is turning cities into vibrant ecosystems where concrete and nature coexist harmoniously. From innovative vertical farms that utilize hydroponics and aeroponics to community gardens that bring neighbors together, urban farming is redefining how we interact with our urban spaces. It's about creating a sustainable urban future where nature is at our doorstep and fresh, local food is always within reach. Stay with us as we delve into the world of urban farming and explore the incredible technologies and initiatives making this green revolution possible. I don't think people understand the true potential of parametric design. Parametric design uses algorithms to generate complex architectural forms. This trend allows for innovative, customized designs that respond to specific site conditions and user needs. Technologies and tools include algorithmic design software, tools like Grasshopper and Rhino for creating parametric models. 3D printing fabricates complex building components with precision. Generative design uses AI to optimize design solutions. From fluid organic shapes to intricate facades, parametric design is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in architecture. We'll showcase some groundbreaking parametric design projects and their impact. Imagine buildings that adapt to their environment with forms that are as unique as the sites they occupy. Parametric design is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating functional, efficient, and sustainable structures that meet the needs of their users. This trend is revolutionizing the architectural landscape, enabling architects to explore new creative possibilities and deliver bespoke solutions. Join us as we dive into the world of parametric design and discover how it's shaping the future of architecture. Join the Dhismopride Constructs community for more insights and updates. Subscribe now to stay informed about the latest in architecture and design. Let's build a better future together.